overall, the truck, oh, that's going to be just basically just strip back down and start all over. So basically, you'll have to just pull the gas tank on out and take everything off the dash and get it ready. Drop the heater box out. Check all the wire harness and retape all that up. And basically just start all over from the beginning. We do have the doors, the bed, got all the parts to put it back together. Frame's pretty solid on it. There's no bad spots that I can see in the frame. Frame's pretty solid. Clean up the rear end, put a new seal in it. And paint it. His granddad used a plow on this truck back in the day, like most farmers did. And these little blocks right here is how he hooked up the plow to plow his fields. Now, how cool is that? That's pretty cool. We're out here in the boondocks, literally boondocks. You ever heard of the boondocks? It's called the boondocks. Let's see if I can get y'all under there. It's pretty clean as far as rust goes. It's basically, it's a little bit of rust here and there, but nothing major. I'm talking about it's nothing major. It's just a bunch of work that should have been done the first time. And had some kind of lights on top at one time. And they've tried to fill it up with, I don't know. But we're gonna fix that. I want to give y'all a tour around it, and I want to see some more videos of it. Drop it down in the description. And let us know what y'all think. The dash still looks good on it. Yeah, like I say, it's gonna be a fun little project. It's about the only rust on it. It's basically just surface rust on the core support. The wire brush to get most of that off. And then have to sand it by hand or with a DA or brush, and it come off pretty easy. I'd like to give some shout outs to Deborah's Loving Life. Go over to her channel, subscribe and comment. And
hey y'all, come on over and see what I got for you to see. I'm trying to get some new videos out, and but as always, I'll be over here helping Auto Salvage Outlaws. I appreciate y'all.
And drop down, and I've got a bunch of friends that met on here that I like their channels. I like the way they do things, and I'll leave their description in the bottom of the video, along with my wife's channel. If y'all would go on over to their channels and subscribe and comment and tell them I sent you over there. And if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment, and help us get to the magic number, because we plan on doing a giveaway when we reach the magic number, and on that and the watch hours. So I'm trying to do at least a video a day and trying to get more videos out there. I know get more videos, and we'll get more subscribers, more views. Just wanted to let y'all take a sneak peek at the next project. It's going to be a little while before we get done with it, but I don't think it's going to look like this when we get done with it. It'd be a totally different truck. We got all new windows for it, new seals, a bunch of parts. I'm talking about just tons of new parts, new chrome. Seats already been recovered. It's a ton of stuff that's already been done. And if you get a chance to go over there to Action Auto Parts, Jamie Phillips, give him a like if you're looking for any parts for your car. Old stuff, he's got some new stuff. Hit him up and show him some love. And JJ Backwoods, they down in Lafayette, Alabama. Actually not too far from us. And we plan on one day to meet up with them. Give them some, show them some love. And Beamer and Son Garage, show them some love. He's got a bunch of cool old cars. He has got a bunch of old stuff. Show them some love. So if you like what you see, give us a subscribe, like, and comment. And we'll catch you on the next one.